Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Mish Ventures. I'm excited to be here and to do this video. So today I'm going to show you how to do a very nice, yummy recipe that is very nice for any time, but especially lunchtime or dinner. So I'm gonna use some liver. I'll need liver. I'll need some potatoes, some onions. These are some of the ingredients I use. I have some potatoes here. I have some chopped onions over here, and then I have some garlic here and some chopped onions. I have some green capsicum, and of course I'll use some oil. Here is the cooking oil. I'm sure you can see. And then I have some spices like paprika. I have cumin seeds. I have black pepper. I have it's called what? I have turmeric, and I have some soy sauce. So without further ado, kama kawaida, let's get started. So what I've done, I'm sure you can see in my pan. I've just put some onions together with the garlic in this pan. That's the only thing I've done. These are the garlic and the onion. This is what is inside here. So I'll just simmer, cover up for some time. Yeah. So I think I didn't mention about the salt. I'll put some salt. I'll add some salt over here, and then definitely go right ahead and put the tomatoes. As usual, I'll cover again. So at this point here, on this other pan, I'm steaming the carrots and the broccoli. And then here I have some boiled liver. So at this point, I'll just go ahead and add in the viazi here. Before I add in the liver, I'll put my potatoes over here and cook under low heat. So I'll just reduce the heat because I'm not putting water. So I don't want my food to get burnt. So I'll just reduce the heat. Cooking under low heat. So kama kawaida, I'll cover up. Remember, I'm cooking under low heat. I just reduce some more. On this side, I'm just steaming the carrots and the broccoli. Let me put some salt as well. Not too much, just a little. Yeah. All right, so at this point, I will add in my my boiled liver from the goat in here. It's not too much. So I'll add my liver in this mix. I'm still cooking under low heat. So at this point, I'll add my spices. Put some bit of paprika, black pepper, some turmeric, some, not too much, a little, and just some few drops of salt. So I'm still cooking under low heat, low heat, but everything else is in here. So I want to add this pili pili hoho, green capsicum. And I also have some coriander. Not a must to put. You may put if you want. I'm sure you can see in my pan very well. So I'll cover up for some minutes. Remember, I was steaming here something. I think it's ready. I'll just turn off. Sure this one is ready and leave it to cool. So at this point, everything is ready. So I just turn off the meko. Pour everything in here. Just a minute. So I want to transfer this mix over here. Sorry. So I put everything here in this dish. I'm sure you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't know whether you can see where I'm putting. Oh, you can't see. Anyways, you cannot see. But let me pull aside. Let me pull aside so that you can be able to see what I'm doing. I'm just transferring things here so that I can put in the oven. So I'll mix with this. Remember, my food put my stuff that I said I was steaming. So I have uh, some steamed carrots and broccoli. So the first layer that I've done is the mix of liver, liver and potatoes is what I put first. So now I'm just transferring my carrots and my water as my second layer. Then I finish up with that. Then I have some mozzarella cheese. I love cheese anytime. You know. So I'm just trying to organize my pot, my dish, so that it looks really nice. Putting everything in here. Everything, man, everything. Everything in here. Hey, chumi ni mbaya. I'm not sparing anything. Anything. So as you can see, this is how my oven glass looks like. So I'll fill in now with this, like what I was doing initially. What I was doing initially. With this kitamba, although it is burnt. So everything in here, in here. Kila kitu hapo ndani. So I'll put like that and just add maybe some little water, just little, very little. So I'll just add some little water to avoid burning before I put in the oven. So after that, so this is how my oven glass looks like. So I want to put it in the oven, but before then I want to put some mozzarella cheese on top. Hang on in there. Alright guys, so I've put the cheese. So msiona ati ni fake, ndio hii hapa. I've been cutting this. I didn't get the one that is grated. So I just picked this one. I've been chopping using this tool. So I've put here. So the next thing I'm going to do, let me just adjust my camera, guys. Then I'll put this thing in the oven. Then you'll be able to see my final products. So I'll go right away and fix it in the oven. So guys, it's here. My dish is here. So I'm just fixing in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that will be it. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, are you there? please stick there. We are still in here. We are still cooking hapo ndani. Hapo. Something nice is coming. Wait for the outcome. Yay! Don't go. Stick there. Stay on. So, I just want to remove from the oven because now it's done. You can see. So I just switch off everything and then remove. Hello guys, so I've removed my food from the oven. So what I want to do is to bring the camera closer so that you guys can be able to see what is in the dish. So that's how the food looks like. I'm trying so that you can have a nice aerial view of what it is. It actually is. I hope you can see, and also from the side as well. So what I'm going to do, kama kawaida, please subscribe to my channel. So I want to do a scoop of my food, and you see how my dinner plate looks like. It's a bit hot now that it's just from the oven. So I'll just serve over here so that you can have a look at my plates. I put some more. Actually, I put this one on the side. I do the serving first. So you get to see my dinner plates. See how nice and yummy this mix is actually. When I see that kind of folding, just know that is cheese. Just know that is cheese. That's what you can be able to see. And of course, I get my fork. So guys, this is my dinner plate. Very, very yummy food. Look, have a look. Can see some liver, some potatoes, some carrots, some broccoli. Very delicious and very healthy as well. So let me just adjust my camera. Yeah, guys, kama kawaida, please subscribe to my channel, show me some love, watch my videos till the end so that you may be able to learn more from me. And for those ones who have been there for me, kama kawaida, thank you for your support. For those ones who are new here, please subscribe, like, and comment as well so that you may support this channel for it to grow and grow. Until in my next video, bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you.